backside of the tower, which of course was a fortress. Wow. Tower of London is almost 1,000 years old. It's named after the oldest building, the White Tower. William the Conqueror built it. And the crown jewels are in there. Hopefully we see. It's an ancient dig. I'm guessing that this area right here was the moat. I'm not sure, but it looks like it. Another view of the tower. Got some paddleball going. A little different than pickleball. Play with a tennis ball, and you can use the back wall. I like it better than pickleball. Wish we had it in America. Looks like these guys are protecting the. So at the Tower of London, I can get barbecue, brisket, and I can get Mexican food. This is the St. Thomas Tower. And there's the entrance.
They were buried in Innocents Corner, West Avenue, where they remain to this very day. In the 1930s, however, they were exhumed and tested, okay? They were not tested for DNA, they were tested for speculation, which I don't know, okay, one person does know what happened to those two boys. One person does know what happened to those two boys. That moment, that person is blind.
Of our more historic buildings, and I'll tell you something of their history. Now I'm going to be covering murder, torture, execution, all the good stuff. If you don't want to hear about that, then Harry Potter world is that way. Undergo interrogation. But Guy Fawkes will not reveal the names of his fellow conspirators. So on orders from the King, he was taken to the White Tower. Don't bother looking, we still can't see it.
Voilà. C'est pas déjà pas mal, mais déjà je dois donner quelque chose.
That is the White Tower, the very first Tower of London. All the other stuff was built around it. This is the execution courtyard. This is where they got beheaded. It's one of the towers where they imprisoned people. It's where some of the people carved their names. Some more of the people that were imprisoned here, they would leave their names. This one's in Latin. Sir Walter Raleigh was imprisoned right here.
Two princes on absolute property.
Another jail room. All kinds of graffiti of the prisoners that were here. This is the outside of the Bloody Tower that we were just in. Famous for the two princes, 12 and 9-year-old, that went missing after being imprisoned there. All right, we're supposedly going to learn about torture at the tower. Oh yeah. We're going down into the dungeon. The rack. Manacles.
Day. But I think that's allowed, isn't it? It's a big event. You must take it seriously. Yes, I am excited right now. It should be a good day. Good day. See.
All right, we get to see 500 years of armor here in the White Tower, which is where the King and Queen used to live originally. Oh, here's where they found the two kids, the skeletons. This is where they kept the horses and the armory. underneath the palace. Actually had a toilet up here during the Norman era. Here's the toilet. It's called Norman Hall for the Norman monarchs. St. John's Chapel inside the White Castle or White Tower.
Guys, you're blocking the exit. You need to come down the stairs, please. Come down upstairs, please. Thank you.